Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 10 really easy products that you can create to be able to start making money online. But before we get into that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload more videos. Let's go check it out. Now the first product we're going to be talking about today is what's called a short report. That can be a little ebook that goes from say 5 to 10 pages long, and it's just basically giving you the nuts and bolts of what is needed to be done. It doesn't have to go in depth, it's just a broad overview of what needs to be done, and it's a really good little product to add to your main ebook or to your main video course. It's a really good product to be an add-on because it can also be used as a lead magnet or anything of the sort like that. And I find that good reports are something that people can consume in one very quick sitting, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and they've gotten the whole idea of everything they need to do. And this way they don't have to sit there and read through pages upon pages upon pages of unnecessary information. Sometimes people just want to get a broad overview, and short reports are a really great way of doing that. Now, mind maps are something people really love as well, because people can have a look at how the thoughts come together to be able to create a mind map, and then they can also look at the direction and how things are going. Through looking at a mind map, they can get a good broad overview as to what people need to do to create whatever product they're wanting to do, or to create a funnel, or however they want to do it. Now, mind maps are really powerful, and you'll find that they are included in a lot of products these days. So if you want to create some mind maps, they are a really good resource as well. Okay, and in fact, I'll link a video just above here to one of my previous videos about mind mapping. Okay guys, let's have a look at the next one. Now, another one you might be interested in is called a resource cheat sheet. Now, a good thing about a resource cheat sheet is the fact that you can be doing things like adding your affiliate link in there. Now, you might have a list of different things that you use, and by giving them a resource cheat sheet with your affiliate links in there, what's happening is you're adding an extra stream of revenue for yourself. And this will also give value to your customers, because your customers are seeing these are the tools you use to become successful online. So if they want to be able to become successful online, they might want to use the same tools you use, or similar ones to the ones you use. Now, what I like to do is also add some free options as well, and this way it doesn't feel like we're just trying to get money out of them. Now, another thing you can do are checklists. Checklists are absolutely amazing. In fact, there's one particular PLR site out there that focuses purely on checklists. And if you look at a lot of PLR sites these days, you'll find that a lot of the stuff that they comes with a checklist, because checklists are so easy to create, and they're something that people really like. The reason why people really like them is because a person can go through a checklist and tick them off as they go through, and by the time they have finished the entire checklist, they should have whatever it is they're wanting done completed. So checklists are a really valuable resource, and if you can package a number of them together as a bundle, you can actually sell that as a product all on its own. Now, another thing you can do is to create a social media viral media pack. Now, what does that actually mean? It has things like images with words on them, with inspirational quotes that you can upload on places like Facebook or Instagram, or one of those social media platforms that will help people to want to engage with you. And the people find these to be really inspiring. And if you put a package together, you can actually sell them as an individual product all on its own. Because if you put enough of these up, people will start asking you, where do you get these from? And you can say, I create these myself, and if you want to purchase a pack, here is what you can do to get a pack. I sell 150 of these, and whatever, however you want to promote it. But that is another thing you can do as well. A social media, viral media pack. Now another thing you can do is called a quick start guide. Now a quick start guide really is just that. It allows a person to be able to get in there and quickly get started on what's needing to be done. Some people just don't want to read an entire manual or an entire report or anything like that. They just want to get the nuts and bolts. It's a bit of a mixture between a checklist and a resource cheat sheet, as well as a short report. It's not a long thing, it's maybe only 3 or 4 pages long usually, and it's just something people can use to be able to help them get started quickly and get moving and get the ball rolling. Now let's face it, one of these type of videos wouldn't be complete unless we discuss a lead magnet. Usually a lead magnet is a short 10 to 15 page ebook that you can use to be able to draw a customer in, to be able to give them a free report or something along those lines, or a free lead magnet, something that's going to help them to want to be able to get involved and sign up to your oh so precious email. Now what happens there is you can then follow up with those people to be able to help them to take the steps that are necessary to become a paying customer. Now, a lead magnet doesn't have to be huge. As I said, between 10 to 15 pages is all it needs to be. And to be quite honest, sometimes it's only needing to be between 5 to 15 pages. It doesn't have to be huge. It just needs to be something to encourage them onto your mailing list. Another thing that people might want to look at is high quality professional graphics. Now you may have some graphics that people are looking for. It may be of cutout people, or it may be of backgrounds, or it might be of a whole bunch of different things. But a lot of people can get high quality professional graphics, place them all together, and then sell them as a bundle. And the best part about that is you may have different themes that you might want to have as a particular upsell. You might have something for infographics, for example, product creation, and then maybe go on to another one which might be for marketing, and then you might have another one which might be backgrounds that people can use for their YouTube videos, etc. There's a whole bunch of graphics that you can use, or transparent background, or transparent images without backgrounds, all those kind of things. But these are worth a small fortune, and if you can package them together as an entire bundle, then you've got yourself a winning combination. Now one of my absolute favorites is in fact creating a video tutorial. Now video tutorials don't have to be long, they can be short 2 or 3 minute videos that can be done created in an entire day, and all you need to do is create maybe 5 to 10 of those, and you have yourself a complete product ready to go, up and running. It doesn't have to take long to create, and I have to say to you, it's fun to do sometimes. All you need to do is create some PowerPoint presentations and present it through your PowerPoint. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do PowerPoint presentations, I have a couple of resources in the card above. My last but not my least would have to be low content books that you can sell on Amazon KDP. Things like notebooks, colouring in books, as well as things like journals and sketchbooks, all those sort of things. They're super easy to create, and all you really need to do is upload it into Amazon KDP, create the e-cover, get all the description and the keywords done, and then wait for approval. Once it's been approved, it is live for you to start promoting it. It usually takes between 2 to 3 days for it to be ready to go. And once it's approved, it is up and running, ready for you to promote. And that would have to be that's the last, but definitely not the least. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.